Hi everybody, this is the Left-Handed Shooter, and today we're going to take a look at this Ozark Trail 12-in-1 multi-tool. This is new for 2025. It's kind of like in their Christmas stocking stuffer display. And they had 4 of these. They're all exactly the same except for the handles. I believe there's a green one, a red one, and the red and the green ones, their handles are kind of rubberized. And then there's a like silver one or a stainless steel one, and then this one right here is with the camo like color on it, or what they're calling it, mozzie oak. And here, I'll throw some pictures up so you can take a look at them. Anyways, let's see what this guy's got here. This here has 12-in-1 has. So let's see if I can read this. Long nose pliers, standard pliers, wire cutter, file saw, medium slotted screwdriver, small slotted screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, a knife, bottle opener, can opener, and all. And as you can see, mozzie oak handle. And here's the back of here. And let's take a look at it. And these are $5.16 plus tax at your local Walmart. Guess it just folds up here like this. Let's see here. It folds back, and there's your long nose pliers, which, yeah, they'll work as pliers. It has. And then they're calling this in the center here standard pliers, and then down here wire cutters. Right here. I don't know how long that spring's gonna last. If you can hear it, you can hear it like, yeah. Oh well. Let's take a look at some of the other things it's got in here if I can get them out. Okay. Here's your knife. Let's see here. Cut something. Let's see if it's sharp at all. It's paper. Actually, it's pretty sharp for now. Alright. I've seen a lot less sharper on these type of multi-tools. Wow, that is pretty darn sharp. Let's fold that away before I cut myself on it. Ah, dang it. Okay, here's the problem with these multi-tool things. I'm gonna grab something here. Getting the tool out. There we go. Okay. Now here's your Phillips head. What the hell is this thing supposed to be? Huh. I don't know what that, I don't think that's supposed to be anything. It's just a Phillips head. Looking on here. Okay. What do we got here? This is your awl. That's the awl. And this is a knife. Okay, this is kind of weird here. What are they calling certain things on here? And that's supposed to be a can opener. Or bottle opener, can opener. Let me see what's on here. I think here's your file. It's got a nail nick on there. Let's see. There's your standard screwdriver, small screwdriver, or medium slotted screwdriver, and your saw. But to tell you the truth, guys, I never really use these multi-tools. A lot of people like them. Not me. Oh yeah, the sucker does have a little small knife right here. I just got it for a review because it's only $5. But anyways, if you like these things, great. I don't. Rather use the regular tool. But I guess, you know, throw it in your backpack or whatever. But I don't know how handy some of the stuff's actually going to work. Except for this. This seems like it'd work out. Oh yeah, let's see what kind of weight we have on here. .5 ounces. It would have been cool if this thing would have came with a sheath or something, so you can have it on your belt if you're going to use it that way. Just tuck all this away here. Anyways, there you go. I don't know how long this thing will last if you actually used it all the time. I don't know. But for $5, if it breaks, it breaks. Throw it away. It's not like a Leatherman or something, a nice one. But there you go. Remember to like and subscribe. Give me thumbs up. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Later, guys.